Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov. I have some news for you. Last days YouTube has changed its politics and it doesn't pay anymore Russian authors, so we have a risk to lose new videos on my channel. And now guys, everything depends on your donates. So guys, if you want to watch fresh content, new fantastic transformation, so be free to give me some donate. Just couple of dollars can change everything, because I spent about $10 for making the video to cover products and work of the video editor or video maker. Having your donates, I would never upload my old videos and I have a chance to make fresh content and share with you all my skills and all my techniques. And this way I will never be forced to change my work, because I want to do my favorite work to share with you. You know guys, for doing these videos I spend all my day. I have to earn money for my family. I have a big family, and I think spending this way my time, this is the great for me, and I would definitely do it if I have a chance. You know guys, I'm always appreciate your donates, your gifts, and I always do special gifts from me as a present, and always thank you. If you think that, for example, $5 is a funny money for us, for creators, you are wrong, because, for example, in Russia the set of gel nails costs now $10. For this price we can find the hard worker woman, we can transform her nails to the perfection and make her happy. So you solve free problems, or you do free good deals, not just for me guys, just for you, just for people who wants beautiful gel nails and they have no money. So you help hard worker woman to have amazing beautiful nails. You help yourself to have a great content, the new fresh content with amazing nail designs, with transformation of difficult gel nails. And also you help me to improve my channel, to stay alive this channel and these new videos, for you to continue this amazing content. So this is the amazing deal for all of us, so we have a chance to continue our work. And you know, honestly, my favorite work is creating the content for you and transform nails of hard workers. And I also want to make videos of pedicure works also. You know guys, honestly, I don't like to build and sell houses. Of course it brings more money, but my favorite work is the nail works and nail art and creating new videos. It's just my life. This channel is just part of me, and I don't asking you to help me with the donates. I just ask you to do it for all of us, for changing life of hard workers, because it really helps them to struggle with problems when they just look on their nails. Are made so artistically, so beautiful. So it's fantastic things. And of course it has, as I told you before, it helps you and me, because you have a chance to have perfect nail education on real models, just practically for free. And you help not only you help your friends, nail tech all over the world. They have a chance to watch these videos. And of course, the fresh content means everything. I think it's boring to watch old videos that were made 5 years ago. it's much better to watch the new content, because the technique is improving day by day, and everything is changing. So guys, I would be happy if you make donates. The QR code of making donate in one click is on the right side of this video. You can see it right now, so you can follow using your mobile phone, or on the link under the video. You can click the link and open the page of the donate site. And also, I want to ask you about the questions that's connected with shapeofnail.com. We now use the same service for paying of your products, and it also make you to be free from that taxes, from other taxes that we have to spend when ordering products, especially for European countries. And you can order products with the best prices, very adorable prices, and very profitable, and you don't have to pay for shipping. And the shipping now is available. It takes the same time as before, and no problems with shipping to the far countries from Russia. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, and I hope you are doing well. See you tomorrow with the new videos, and I love you guys. Bye.